When I travel, I always maintain my vegan diet 100%. I want to show you how you can too. I'm Nora Day. When you travel around the world, you can travel and maintain your vegan diet. I'm going to give you some secrets for traveling and staying vegan. Number one is research. Research the address and the phone number of the nearest vegan restaurant near your hotel. This way, when you get there, you already have a place that you can go to, because the last thing you want to do on your trip is arrive at a beautiful, charming place and then sit on your computer in your hotel room looking for a vegan place. So research is invaluable if you want to find a wonderful vegan place right away when you land. Number two, ask a local. If you can ask a local where the nearest farmer's market is, the nearest grocery store is, you're easily going to find fresh vegetables, fresh fruit, and really amazing, unique snacks to that area. Your locals are your friends. Number three, ship your food. This has saved me so many times. If you know you're going to be at a destination for a month or longer, ship some of your favorite protein powders, favorite protein bars, maybe a favorite snack to you, because when you get there, you have your home feeling of your own food. And this saves you stressing out right when you get there. You have your food there. And if you can ship your food so it arrives when you arrive, that's even better. I hope my secrets have helped you stay vegan when you travel, because you can do it. Because I've done it many, many times, so I know these little tips will help you. Enjoy your vegan trip.